Good morning, students. How are you all? And I hope you are all fine. And I think in our last class, we have discussed that example 9.1, and the chapter name is actually data handling. So in that 9.1, we did few problems also, and at the end of that 9.1 exercise, I said that draw a pictograph, right? So here in this module we will see that by using pictograph how to analyze the data. Okay, so in our last class these are the things so far we covered. Okay, so I think most of them they did your homework problem also. Very good, overall did homework problems. And today's topic is actually that same thing, draw a pictograph. So draw a pictograph, which means what? Okay, so pictograph, actually before that they gave some numbers, from that we analyzed, but here they gave some numbers we have to represent, without writing that numbers we have to represent that in terms of pictures. Okay, drawings. So this kind of analyzing data by using that pictures, that is called pictograph. So anyway, look at that example 7. You just take your book and page number 194, and this is the problem in your book, example 7. The following are the details of number of students present in a class of 30 during a week. Represent it by a pictograph. Okay, so here you have to know that what they asked. First you have to know what they asked. That is, the following are the details of number of students. What is that number of students present in a class of 36 during a week, represented by a pictograph. Okay, so here what is the data? First you have to see that days. What is the day? The number of students present on Monday 24, and Tuesday 26, and Wednesday 28, and Thursday 30, Friday 29, Saturday 22. Okay, so here instead of writing that numericals, that means instead of writing that numbers, okay, we are going to plot one picture or drawings. Okay, any drawing we can found. So here what is that solution? So with the assumption we have made earlier, yes, of course, so 24 may be represented 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here you have to know one thing, that each symbol, that complete one full symbol, which means 5. Okay, so here 5 plus 5 plus 5, 4 5s are 20, and one leg is missing, right? In that picture if you look at, that means leg is missing, that's called 24. So 26 means what is that? See, one complete picture of 5, and one is leg is missing means, and 4 one leg or anything. Okay, any one is missing means 4, and any 2 is missing means 3. So this kind of way. Okay, so you just take that one complete symbol, one first one round. So round after straight line, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this kind of only you have to calculate. And Tuesday, what is that Tuesday? What is the Tuesday they given? Tuesday 26. So Tuesday 26 means one complete picture which shall be which will be represent here as 5. So 5 5 5 5 5 25, and then 1 26. On Wednesday, what is it Wednesday? So Wednesday 28. So 28 means, so here 5 5s are 25, and the last one 3. So 3 means 2 hand and 1 straight body. Okay, so next on Thursday. So Thursday how much? 30. Okay, so Thursday 30 means, so here if you look at means 6 complete figure, complete picture. So one picture represent 5. So if you look at that carefully, all those pictures having that all the legs, body, and what's that, hands also. And Friday, on Friday I think 29, right? Yes, 29. Okay, Friday 29 means 5 5s are 25, and then last one it is compared as 4, two hand and one leg and a straight body. So okay, so that is called 29. And the Saturday 22, so 4 5s are 20, and then 2 22. Okay, so the next question is example 8. So the following are the number of electric bulbs purchased for a lodging house during the first 4 months of a year. So this means what are the months they given? January, February, March, April. So 4 months they given number of bulbs. So number of bulbs purchased for the lodging house. So that means January they purchased 20 bulbs, and February they purchased 26 bulbs. Okay, and then what is that? March 30 and April 34. So represent the details by a pictograph. Okay, so you have to draw the pictograph. For that you have to draw any symbol. You have to represent for one symbol equal to this much unit. Okay, so here if you look at that, so purchasing for January and March is not difficult because it is a whole number, right? So for representing 26 and 34 with the picture is not easy. So we may round off 26 nearest to 5, so 25, and 34 to 35. Okay, so what they given means actually here they have taken one bulb is 5 and two bulb is 10. Okay, so you not only you can use that bulb symbol, you can use that any other symbol which is convenient for you, but here they are approximated. Okay, 26 they have considered as 25 and 34 they are considered as 35. Okay, so that only somewhat they will fit. Okay, so first January, so January 20, so 10 20 means see one bulb is 10, one bulb symbol is 10 bulbs. Okay, so remember that. So 10 plus 10 20. Next February 26, so February 26 means, so here what they said that is you may say 10 plus 10 plus 26, the last bulb is it is not completely filled, so you can take that, what is that, half of the bulb is 5. Okay, so you can approximate and put that half of the symbol. Okay, so next one March, so March means what is that, 30, so it will be easy. And April means what, 34, so April means 34, so that means see here the last one the complete three picture, and the last one they will take somewhat. Okay, that's called 5, approximately 5 they have taken, 30 they approximated, so 35. Okay, but without approximating you can put any other symbol. Okay, for example you have to represent bulb has 4 node or 5 nodes, 5 symbols or 5 rays. Okay, so 5 ray represent 10 bulbs, so this kind what's called one bulb represent 10 bulbs. Okay, so the number of rays you can write, you can calculate. For example 10, this side 5, that side 5, if it is there means that's called a 10 bulb. If in 4 means 7 means only 4 rays, so anything, it's your idea. Okay, your creative. Okay, so anyway you have to draw one picture. And then exercise 9.2, so in that exercise 9.2 the question is total number of animals in 5 villages are as follows. Okay, so village A 80, village B 120, village C 90, village D 40, and village E 60. So prepare a pictograph of these animals using the symbol, they gave symbol here to represent 10 animals. So this symbol represent 10 animals, and answer the following questions. And how many symbols represent animals of village E, and which village has the maximum number of animals, and which village has more animals, village A or village C. This is called comparison. So shall we solve? Okay, so listen. So one symbol that complete, that shield like symbol, no, that symbol represent 10 animals. So village A 80, that means you have to write 8 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 times. And village B, you have to just look at 120, that means 12 times you have to draw that same pictures, that shield like pictures. And village C 99 times, and village D 4 times, village E 6 times. Okay, so now the question is, what is that, how many symbols represent the animal of village E? So that means village E, if you look at, means how many times if you put the symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times you have to put. So answer is A, 6. Next answer B, which village has the maximum number of animals? So which village has the maximum number of animals? Obviously village B, because it is 120 animals is there. Okay. So next one, village, what's that? Which village has that, what is called, which village has more animals? So village A or village C? So if you look at that village A and village C, so here 80 village A, in village C 90. So obviously 90 is greater. So village C is greater than the village A. Okay. So shall we go to the next problem? So the question number 2. So the question number 2, total number of students of a school in different years is shown in the following table. That means total number of students of a school. So in the 96, okay, 96 400 students, 98 535, and 2472, 2002 600, 2004 623. So prepare a pictograph of students using this symbol. So here they given symbol to represent 100 students. So this one symbol represent 100 students, and answer the following questions. First one, how many symbols represent total number of students in the year 2002? And the second question, how many symbols represent total number of students for the year 98? And B, prepare another pictograph of students using the other symbol, each representing 50 students. Now it is your choice. You can draw any pictures. You have to represent one symbol which is equal to 50 student. Okay. So which pictograph do you find more informative? So which pictograph you find more informative, A or B? Okay. So just see that. And what is that answer to? So here I have taken years 96, 98, 2000, 2002, 2004, and one symbol represent which is equal to 100 students, and 96 means see how many 96, see here 96 how much, 400. So 400 means one complete picture 100, that means 4 times you have to draw, 1 2 3 4. Next 98 535. So 535, so you have to write 500, that what's called 35, you have to draw that half of the picture, okay, or half of the picture, or any what is that, you can take what's 520s or 100, no, so that means you can write less than half, okay. Next 2472. So 472 means 4 into full images, and then the remaining 72 you have to draw at half of the picture, okay, so more than half. Okay, next one 2002. So 2002, what is that? 600 means 6 times you have to draw that picture. And 2004, which is called 623, that means 600 6 times you have to draw one full picture. And what is that, see here, wait, 623. So that means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 5 completed, not 6 completed, okay. So please change it. It is not a 5 completed. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 completed, and then remaining incomplete picture, okay. So just change the answer. Actually I put 5, okay. So 6 it will come, 6 and 1 incomplete. So next problem, that means B, case B is what is that, 50 students, same 50 students I have taken. For 50 students, this is one symbol, triangle symbol. So that means 96. So 96 means what is that, 96 value, 96 400. So 400 means it will become 8 pictures, right? Because one picture represent 50 students I have taken, but you may take 100 students also, okay. 100 students means 4 times only you have to